Hello, my name is Geoffroy Dedieu. Welcome to this section 5 of my course, which highlights the setup and techniques to manage non-financial assets under the total wealth approach. This is section 5 of my course on family office and family wealth. I will provide examples of a few asset classes to illustrate the concept of total wealth. And I delve into managing non-financial assets such as properties, art, private equity, and next-generation businesses, or indeed family businesses. These assets represent an integral component of a comprehensive wealth portfolio, offering the family risk diversification, stability, and potential growth opportunities. I will deep dive into examples with each category to understand their significance in enhancing the overall asset management strategies. Firstly, properties, which hold value beyond their monetary worth, serving as tangible assets with potential for appreciation and income. Personal as well as commercial properties of ultra-high net worth families require the same level of professional management, dedicated resources within the family office. You don't manage a hotel business, for example, without proper resources within the holding company or the family office. Second, art. They combine aesthetic aspects, of course, with significant collectible value for family members, or for example, the family foundation. The collection's financial size, though, and the potential for appreciation requires specialized expertise, again, with systems for valuation and collection management. There are dedicated systems for this. I will close off with private equity and next-gen businesses, which offer another set of investment opportunities for the family. Private investments and family businesses contribute to a well-rounded asset portfolio, but they also give the next-gen transition and training opportunities. This lecture will include a discussion of incubators for the family's next generation, business incubators. All right then, enjoy this section 5.
And thank you.